Yes, I'm off work.
I went to the...
Where does she have to go? To the front lines?
Melissa's hungry and she don't have any money and she works till 11.
Oh. Hey. See, that sign up there says, I thought I wanted a career. Turns out I just wanted paychecks. Yeah. You want a bite? You want a bite? Huh? You want a bite? You want a bite? Blurry! Nice to meet you, Mother. Hello. She doesn't say much.
I do really. Just not at the moment.
Get her proud.
Hello, how you feeling?
All right.
Oh, crap, there's a bird in the house. You know me and my birds, baby. We don't get along so well. Honey, you want a drink? I'm getting drinks.
Yeah.
You can get your mommy a cup of ice. What would you like?
Pepsi if they have it, or Dr. Pepper.
Mommy has Pepsi Max.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. You like ice?
If it's a can, I don't need one.
It's not a can.
Oh,
It's a 2-liter, baby.
oh, it's cold enough if it's in the fridge.